Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Establishing a soothing bedtime routine is key to achieving better sleep. It's like sending a signal to your body, telling it to slow down and prepare for rest. The following recommendations aim to help you craft a calming bedtime ritual, one that not only promotes sleep but also enhances its quality. Now, let's dive into the tips that can help you create a relaxing bedtime routine. Tip number 1. Set a consistent bedtime. It's about making a pact with yourself to go to bed and rise at the same time every day. It's like setting a rhythm for your body's internal clock, which helps regulate your sleep. Moving on to tip number 2. Start wind-down activities early. A good 30 minutes before your planned bedtime, begin your wind-down routine. This could be anything that helps you relax, like reading a book or listening to calming music. The idea is to give your body and mind enough time to shift gears from the day's hustle to a restful night's sleep. And that brings us to tip number 3. Limit screen time. The blue light from electronic devices can mess with your sleep hormone, melatonin. So, an hour before you hit the bed, say goodnight to your phones, tablets, and computers. Tip number 4. Read a book. Now, this isn't about reading a thriller that keeps you on the edge of your seat. Choose a calming, non-stimulating book that allows your mind to drift away from the day's worries. And finally, tip number 5. Take a warm bath or shower. It's like a warm, soothing hug that relaxes your muscles and signals your body that it's time to unwind and rest. These are just the first few steps to creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Let's continue with the rest of the tips. Moving along to tip number 6. Practice relaxation techniques. Engaging in relaxation exercises such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery can help calm your mind and reduce stress. These techniques can transport you from a state of anxiety to one of tranquility, preparing your body and mind for a good night's sleep. Tip number 7. Listen to soothing music or podcasts. Create a playlist of calming music or tune into a soothing podcast. The aim here is to choose content that promotes relaxation rather than excitement. The right sounds can create a peaceful atmosphere conducive to sleep. Next, we have tip number 8. Enjoy a cup of herbal tea. Opt for a caffeine-free herbal tea like chamomile or valerian root, both known for their calming properties. A warm, soothing drink can serve as a perfect end to your day, signaling to your body that it's time to unwind. Tip number 9. Dim the lights. As bedtime approaches, lower the lights in your home. Dim lighting can signal to your body that it's time to produce melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. And finally, tip number 10. Stretch or practice gentle yoga. Incorporating gentle stretching or yoga into your bedtime routine can help relax your body and release tension. This physical activity can promote a sense of calm and readiness for sleep. And those are the final steps you can take to create a relaxing bedtime routine. That wraps up our 10 tips for creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Whether it's setting a consistent bedtime, limiting screen time, or enjoying a cup of herbal tea, these small steps can make a big difference in your sleep quality. Don't forget to add in some relaxation techniques and create a comfortable sleep environment. Try implementing these tips into your own routine and see the difference they can make. Remember, the key to a good bedtime routine is consistency. Good night and happy sleeping.